Hello my dear students in grade 4. Our lesson today is decimal number. First, what's the meaning of decimal number? Decimal number is a fraction which has denominator equal 10, 100 or 1000. So we can write this fraction as a decimal number by using a point. For example, if I have 5 over 10, now it's fraction with denominator 10. So I can write this as 0.5. 32 over 100, so I can write this number as 0.32 because the denominator here is 100. And 715 over 1000 can be written in the form of 0.715. So the decimal number is consists of two parts, whole number and decimal part. So if I have a number like 217.895, it's divided to whole number part. It's a number which left to the point, and then a decimal point, and a decimal part, the number right to the point. Now we know what is the place value of the decimal. So first, if I have a number like 937.618, first, we need to get the unit. Where is the unit digit? Yes, the unit digit is the number just before the point. So, 7 is called the unit digit. And after unit, we have tens. And then 9 in the place of hundred. But 618 is called the decimal part. So, the first number in the decimal part is called tenths. And 1 is called hundreds. And 8 is called thousands. And now we know the value of the decimals. So first we start by the unit. 7 will be 7, this is 3 in tenths, it will be 30, and the 9 in hundreds will be 100. But in decimal part, if you start from 6, how can I write 6 in the value? What is the value of 6? So I write 6 as 0.6 because it's the first number after the decimal point. Or we can write this as 6 over 10. 1 is the second number after the point. So I can write this as 0.01. Or we can write this as 1 over 100 because I have two decimal places after the point. And 8 in thousands. So I can write it as 0.008 or 8 over 1000 because it is the third place after point. Complete. Letter A. He asked about the place value of 5 in the number 12.56. Yes, 5 in the first place after the point. So, the first place after the point is called tenths. Second one, he asked about the place value of number 7 in number 37.521. 7 is the number which just before the point, the decimal point. So, 7 in the place of unit. The place value of 8 in the number 215.489. 215 represents the whole number and 489 represents the decimal part. So 8 is the place of the second place after the point, and this place is called 100. Now in letter B, he asked about the value of 2 in number 34.127. So 2 in the second place after the point, and it's called hundreds, but I need the value, not the place value. So I write 0.02, or we can write it as 2 over 100. The value of 9. 9 is the first number after the point. So I can write 9 as 0.9 or 9 over 10. Letter F. He asked about the value of 6 in the number 1.356. So 6 is the third number after the point. So we can write 6 as 0.006 or 6 over 1000. Now we know how can I read this number. I have 23.6. To read any number, first we write the whole number as it is. So I write 23. And then I represent point by end. So I write end. It's 23 and. And what? And 6. But I have to write the place value of 6. So 6 is the place value of what? Of tenths. Yes, so I write 6 tenths. Now the number is read as 23 and 6 tenths. Another one. I have 145.78. So first we write 145 and represent point by n. And then I write 78. But the last place here in the hundreds. Tenths, hundreds. So I put hundreds after the number. So we can read this as 145 and 78 hundredths. If I have 96.035, yes, first we write 96 and 35, but the last place here is 5 in the place of, yes, thousands, so I write 35,000. Now, how can I write in digits each of the following number? 8 and 5 tenths. I need to write this in the digits. So, I write first 8. And meaning the point, the decimal point. And he tell me 5 tenths. So I need only one digit after the point. So I write in this digit, in this place, 5. Second one, it's 13 and 91 hundredths. Yes, first I write 13. And meaning the decimal point. But he needs 91 hundredths. So I need 2 digits after the point. And after the point in the decimal part we have 91. So I write 91. 5 and 6 hundredths. 5 meaning the whole number and meaning the decimal point. 600 meaning the decimal part. But hundreds meaning 2 decimal places. So I put 2 decimal places. But I have only 6. So first I write 0 and 6. 241 and 380 and 308,000. So first we write 241, it's a whole number, and meaning a decimal point. Now, in decimal part we have 308,000. Thousands meaning the third place after the point. So I put 3 places. I need to write in these places 308,000. So I write 308. Now, I need to write 17,000. But in this one, I haven't the whole number. The whole number here is what? Nothing. So I put 0 as a whole number. Then I put point. Thousands meaning 3 decimal places. And I need to write in these places 17. So first we write 0 and then 17. So the number will be 17,000. Complete. Now I can read the number as letter A. I can read the number as 756 and 2 tenths. So we ask, which number in tenths? Yes, it's 2 in tenths. First I put the places, units, 10, 100, and the first number after the point is called tenths. So which number in tenths? Yes, it's 2. Units we have 6. Tenths we have 5. And hundreds we have 7. Letter B, I have 57 and 13 hundredths. So first we'll put the places. 7 is called the unit digit, tenth, and then 1 is the first number in the decimal part, it's called tenths, and 3 is called hundredths. So in hundreds we have 3, tenths we have, we have 1, units we have 7, and tenths we have 5. Letter C, I have 300 and 175 thousandths, yes. So first we put the places, units, tenths, hundredths, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So in thousandths we have 5, hundredths we have 7, tenths we have 1, and in units it's 0, tenths it's 0, so in hundreds we have 3.